Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian pasta salad. First, select a short pasta shape like rotini or pen, as these hold the dressing and other ingredients well. Cook your pasta according to package directions, ensuring it's al dente, which means it's firm to the bite. This prevents the salad from becoming mushy later on. Rinse the cooked pasta with cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down quickly. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want vibrant cherry tomatoes, small fresh mozzarella balls, and sliced black olives for that classic Italian flavor. Incorporate finely diced red onion, colorful bell peppers, and plenty of fresh basil for aromatic notes. These fresh components are key to a delicious and visually appealing pasta salad that everyone will enjoy. The dressing brings everything together. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil with 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Add a generous tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 clove of minced garlic, and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Pour this flavorful dressing over your cooled pasta and prepared vegetables, then gently toss everything in a large bowl until well combined. For the best flavor, cover your Italian pasta salad and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious dish. Before serving, give it another gentle toss and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. This salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.